Everyone, it's Cheyenne and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really excited because I had a new little upgrade to my little office. My fiance was incredibly kind and bought me some really cool lights just to enhance, you know, the lighting in here. So let me go ahead and set the mood. Okay, so going back, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing ColourPop's Watermelon Collection. I think this is a super fun summer collection. This is actually a limited collection, so if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the items, make sure to get it quickly, and don't forget to use code 5Cheyenne for $5 off. I'll make sure to link everything in the video description down below. The first product they sent me was the Super Shock Shadow. This is in the shade Birthday Treat. ColourPop actually wanted to create a color that was going to be complementary towards everyone's skin tone, so they picked the color of the year, which was coral. I'm going to do a quick swatch for you guys so you can see how beautiful this is. Like I said before, ColourPop wanted to make a color that was going to be beautiful for everyone's skin tone. As you guys can tell, this is very pretty. You don't need a lot to make it stand out, but I absolutely love this color. The next product they sent me was their Main Squeeze eyeshadow palette. I think this is super cute. I love the detailing. As you guys can tell, there's a bunch of little seeds around the titling of it. And then I love the lining of this package. It reminds me of a watermelon. I think this is absolutely cute. And it reminds me of, I wouldn't say it reminds me, but this is just a fun little collection just for summer. The tones that they sent me were in a reddish / kind of burnt burgundy orange color. I love that this is an intimidating eyeshadow palette. I think these are super cute, and I'm going to do a quick swatch for you guys so this way you guys can see. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited to show you guys these colors. This is from the eyeshadow palette. The first color right here, this is the shade Frosé. I would say this is a soft watermelon color. Next is Juicy Fruit. This is a soft pink with, I would say, like a gold undertone. And then this right here is Home Slice. This is a true metallic red, and I swear this is gorgeous. The next shade is Like It's Hot. I keep thinking of the Snoop Dogg song. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. You guys know what I mean. The next color is the Marciano. I would say this is a true red with a gold undertone. And lastly, they have the Big Gulp, and I can't help but thinking about going to 7-Eleven and getting a big Coke Zero. Yeah. The next color they sent me was Seed Money. I would say this would be like a true red terracotta. Next is Baywatch, which I would say would be a red copper. And lastly is Red Bottom, which would be close to like a black and red. But all these colors are absolutely stunning. The next product they sent me was the Slice of Life bundle. Once again, I love the packaging. They're sticking with the watermelon theme, as you can tell. Super cute. Love all the little details in this. But what I love about this bundle is that they send you two shades. One is in the color Frisco. This is a really pretty sheer. It lasts long. It doesn't wear off, which is amazing. And then the next color they sent me was Swing Away, which I think is super pretty. I think this is like a, I would almost kind of describe it as a red with a pinkish undertone. So both these two together will look absolutely darling. I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch for you guys so you can see how beautiful these two colors are. Okay, you guys, these are the swatches from the Slice of Life bundle. This is the first color called Fresco. Like I said, this is a really pretty sheer color. The next one is Swing Away, which is a really pretty red with a light pink undertone. Next, they sent me over the Ultra Matte Lip. This is in the shade Melonade. I think this is a super pretty matte red. You know, for those who typically eat watermelon, we're going to be actually putting melonade on our lipstick, so just a fun little reference. But let me go ahead and show you guys a fun little swatch for you guys. Next, this is the Put Me On Your Lips, the Melonade. Like I said before, I think this is a gorgeous matte red. This would be fun for a date night, or maybe even just going out for salsa dancing, whatever you want, but this is truly a beautiful matte red. Next, they sent me over their Dear Summer bundle. This is actually a body glitter, so I'm excited. I've never really used body glitter, but I think it'll be fun just to kind of give your makeup look that extra enhance. The first color they sent me was Sandcastle. This looks super pretty, very pigmented. And then next they sent me Wish Me Luck. This looks really pretty. I can't wait to try this. Let me do a quick swatch for you guys. Okay, you guys, this is from the Dear Summer bundle. Seriously, look how beautiful these swatches are. This is Sandcastle, and then this is the Wish Me Luck. Seriously, this is beautiful. You guys, that was only one swatch, but I think you only need to do half just to get a small amount of that, and it will still look so beautiful. Lastly, ColourPop sent me over their Trippin' on Skies. This is also a body glitter. I'm going to do a quick swatch for you guys so you can see how pretty this is. Here is a swatch from the Glitterly Obsessed. This is so beautiful. This reminds me of the Wish Me Luck, but with just bigger particles, and I would say this would be like a true opal color, but look how beautiful that is, you guys. Oh my gosh. Now that I've shared all the products with you guys, I'm going to do a quick makeup look. I already did my eyebrows and put on my foundation. Like I said, I'll go ahead and link everything down below if you guys are interested in anything, so let's just get started. I'm going to start off using the Main Squeeze eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the color Seed Money with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to lightly pat it and put it on the outer corner of my eyes, and you just want to make sure you don't grab a lot. You don't want any harsh creases. Ooh, this is actually a really pretty color. You know, it's so weird. I've never used any fun colors. Normally I always stick with the same brown eyeshadow palettes, but I think this is fun just to kind of change it up. Gosh, these are so pretty. The next color I'm going to use is Red Bottoms. I'm going to change my brush to a smaller, just a fluffy brush, and same thing, you want to lightly pat it. You don't need a lot of product. I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eyes just to make it just a little bit darker. And I mean, if you're going out, you can always add more, but I just want to make sure that it's just enough that you can tell that I have some really pretty colors on versus just my normal everyday bronzy colors. I'm going to use a small little concealer stick, and I'm going to apply it in the middle corner of my eyeshadow. And I will lightly dab my finger with that color and apply it on. I tend to notice it sticks a lot better that way. And you just want to use either, you know, a ring finger, your middle finger, just a finger that's going to lightly apply it on. You don't want to press it on super dark, not dark, but pat it on super heavily. So same thing, just gonna use my ring finger. I'm gonna go in with the color Baywatch. Lightly dab it. Oh my goodness gracious, this is so pretty, you guys. Actually, you know what? I might even go in with the color Juicy Fruit as well. Kind of just mix it up. Yeah, you guys definitely don't need a lot. You guys, this is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a very, very pretty pigmented, just a eyeshadow color. Oh my gosh. So I'm going with the color Baywatch and Juicy Fruit. Super pretty. I wonder, gosh, just doing these, sometimes I just want to do a lot of like fun colors on top of each other, but I have to remember I want something a little bit more subtle. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Seed Money and also Red Bottoms. And I'm going to just combine the colors together and then just apply it again on my outer corner of my eye. Now that I'm done applying my eyeshadow, I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner. Lately, I've been really into using a brown liquid eyeliner just for an everyday look, but because these are such fun colors, I want to make sure my eyeshadow really pops out. So I'm going to be going in with the color NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. I love these. These are super easy just to apply on. The trick with eyeliner is don't rush it. You don't want a super thick eyeliner wing. I mean, if you do, that's your preference, that's fine. But for myself, sometimes I just want a really nice subtle wing. So I realized if you take your time and you just start from the outer corner, go halfway, and then elongate it to the end of your eye. And then from there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a little circle and then scoop down. So kind of like a triangle, essentially. It ends up coming out really pretty, so just make sure to continue watching so that you guys can see how I do my eyeliner, because I tend to get a lot of questions on how I do my eyeliner. Also, just remember, if you mess up, it's okay. Sorry, I know I'm not that fun when I do my eyeliner, but I just tend to focus a lot when I'm doing it, and sometimes it's hard doing it in front of the camera versus me just sitting down looking at a mirror. Like I said, it's never going to come out perfect, and that's okay. It's okay to mess up if it doesn't come out the way you like, and just know that if you really do mess up and you hate the way how it comes out, you can always just get a small Q-tip, lightly dab it in water. Sometimes I just do it with my spit and I just lightly dab it. So for instance, I just messed up, grabbed a small brush, I put it in my mouth. You don't have to do that. I know it's gross, but you can get it underwater and then just quickly, just lightly apply it off and then just go over it again. Next, I'm going to be using a eyelash crimper. I love these. They just help elongate my eyelashes and they give it a nice curl. Then I'm going to be using Maybelline's Lash Sensation Mascara. I think it's perfect because it has a nice little fan, which helps just essentially just separate your eyelashes versus having it be so clumpy. I hate when your mascara does that. Next, I'm just going to apply just a small layer along my bottom eyelashes. You don't need a lot. Next, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Birthday Treat. I'm going to use this actually as a highlighter, but I'm going to do it in a three-way fan. So it's going to be on my temple, my cheek, and then on my bottom line. I'm going to use a fluffy brush and then just lightly elongate it everywhere. Oh wow! You don't need a lot for it to stand out, but it's super pretty. Sometimes I like doing it on my Cupid's bow. You don't have to, but just gives it an extra pop. Sometimes even on my little nose. Just add a little bit. Next, I'm going to be using the Ultra Matte Lip. Like I said, I think this is an absolutely stunning color. This would be really fun for a date night. I'm just going to be using a generic lip liner just to kind of fill in my lips just a little bit more. I don't have big lips, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. Sometimes I even like filling in my lips with the lip liner and then going back in with the lip gloss. Sometimes it lasts a little bit longer, but I don't think you really need it unless you're going to be going out all night. Ooh, this is very pretty. Whoa, this is super matte. I love it. Whoa. I also said that they had sent me over a body glitter. I think this is super cool. I've never used it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my collarbones. I think that'll be fun and it gives it a nice little pop. Oh, how cool. It's very gel-like, but like I said, I don't think you're gonna need a lot. Oh my gosh. I mean, you can really put this wherever you want. I'm just having fun, just applying it on my collarbones. You really don't even need a lot to really make it stand out. This is my completed look. Let me go ahead and show you guys a close-up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I use, I'll make sure to link everything down below. Don't forget to use my code Cheyenne for $5 off any product. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video.